Good morning and Assalamu alaikum class. The day today is Tuesday and date is 8th December 2020. Your subject is English grammar and I am your English teacher Anam. Your textbook is Junior English, your subject is English grammar and your topic is subject verb agreement. We will solve exercise number 89 and 91. But before that we have to understand what is the meaning of subject and verb agreement. So let's start. So, subject and verb agreement. What is subject verb agreement? First of all, agree means share same opinion. So, to start that, first of all, we have to know that a verb must agree with its subject in number and person. In number and person. What does that mean? When we are using a verb, we have to mention that or understand that a verb, subject, number, person are agree with each other. A singular subject takes singular verb and a plural subject takes a plural verb. The dog barks. Dog singular, verb singular. The dogs bark. Dogs plural, verb bark plural. Verbs do not form their plural by adding an s as noun do. In nouns we use s at the end of a noun to make it plural. For example, dog becomes dogs. Dog become dogs. But for the verb, we don't add s at the end of the verb to make it plural. Okay? There are few examples of singular verb and plural verb. Singular verb, you know them. Speaks, speak, is, was, has, are, were, have. We have to choose from here. He speaks. What we will write here? He speaks. He is singular, she is singular, it singular and they is plural. He speaks, they speak. We don't have s at the end of the verb to make it plural. Okay? She is, she was, is, was, has will be used with singulars and are, were, have will be used with plurals. The verb am is only used with the pronoun I. Okay? Am, the helping verb, will be used only with the pronoun I. The verb and its subject in a sentence must agree in person. The verb and subject. First person, second person, third person, you already know about that. First person is the person who is speaking. Okay, second person who is listening, and the third person is the person who is not present. For example, I read, we read. These are first person. Okay, you read, he, she reads. You can see s at the end of the verb. We read, you all read, they read. Okay, the one who is speaking is first person. For example, I am speaking, I am first person. You are listening, you are second person, and the person who is not present at that moment or at the time we are speaking is a third person. Hopefully it will be easy or you can understand it clearly. The verb is plural if two or more singular subjects are joined by and. The verb is plural. For example, we are using two singular words or we are using two singular subjects like Amna and Fatma. Amna, Fatma, they are singular, one person. Amna is singular, Fatma is singular, but when they are together, they are plural. We have an example here. Rahul and Sachin are playing cricket. Rahul singular, Sachin singular, but are is plural. The verb is singular if two singular subjects separated by and refer to the same person or thing. Okay? My friend and guide happens to be my brother. My friend and guide, he is talking about same person, singular subject, both. So we will use singular verb with it, happens. Happens is used with singular. And to be my brother. The verb agrees with the first noun or pronoun when the subject consists of two nouns or pronouns joined by with or as well as. Agrees with first noun or pronoun when the subject consists of the two nouns. My father with his brothers has bought some land for farming. First noun father. My father first noun with his brothers second noun has. We are referring first noun. So we will use has bought some land for farming. The verb is singular when two or more singular subjects are connected by or nor. When we are using or nor, so we will use singular verb. Two singular subjects are connected by either or neither nor. When we are using either or either, neither nor. Samay, Vijay or Naveen organizes such events regularly. Organizes. These are three different persons and we have or between them, so we will use singular verb with them. Okay? Either you or your brothers are lying. I have already explained this. Better, now we will solve Junior English exercise number 89 and 91. Open your Junior English. First of all, you're gonna write classwork and after that date, which is 8, 12 and 20. So I have already explained a lot about subject verb agreement. Okay, now you have to solve these two exercises by yourselves. I will only solve one or two of these exercises. Okay, choose the right verb to complete these sentences. The builder. Builder is singular, as you can understand that it doesn't have s at the end of the word. Dash his work very thoroughly. Do or does. You know that very well. We use do with plurals and does with singular. So you will take does. Mumps dash a very painful ailment. Is or are. Mumps is only plural and it is a viral infection. Okay? It's viral infection. It doesn't have any singular. It is always right as mumps. So what will come with it? Mumps are. So tick are. So beta, I have only solved two for you. Now exercise 89 and 91, you will do it by yourself. Share images of your work. This is the end of your lecture. Take care. Allah Hafiz.